3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're going to study about numbers. What I did right now, I made a countdown. Countdown is bringing the numbers down one after other. These are all ascending numbers and descending numbers which we have studied in lower classes. 3, 2, 1. This is descending. When I say 1, 2, 3, it is ascending. We are going to study about numbers, children. Let us get to know about numbers. By the way, if you are not subscribed for our YouTube channel, you can subscribe below. You can see the subscribers number there. It has numbers. We are going to discuss about numbers everywhere. Everywhere numbers possibilities there. Someone asked me once, Master, give me only 1 mark. Give me only 1. Only 1. Do you think only 1 is small? No. That 1 will create a large impact. You are wondering how? 9. 9 is the single digit number, largest number. Add 1 to that. 9 plus 1? 10. Now you get double digit, which is the smallest double digit. So, the single digit large number, when you add 1, becomes double digit small number. Let me extend this idea slowly. 99. 99 is a 2-digit number. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. Add 1 to that. Okay, 99 plus 1, 100. 100 is 3-digit number, but smallest 3-digit number. Now you get to know, children, never ask for 1, because that 1 is more important, because it can convert the greatest into smallest. By the way, I have noticed a few of you, including teachers, they use the word big number. There's nothing called big number in mathematics. The only greatest number or smallest number. So note down, we have studied about greatest number and smallest number in your lower classes. That is in class 5 and 4 you have studied. If I say 4, 5, 7, 2, and you know to tell me, same as 4,572. Yeah, you know that. When I say 4,572, you are able to say it as thousands, hundreds, the tens and the ones, which we have studied earlier. I repeat, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now we are going to extend it. The 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and this system is our Indian method of knowing numbers. This is our Indian system. Of late, children, when you see YouTube, international YouTube channels or something, you should have always noticed this view. 1 million view, 2 million views, 10 million views. What do you mean by million? It's international system of numbering. International system of numbering has a different format. It is different from Indian format. Now I am wondering, why should I know 2 or more different types of number system? Children, we live in India. We need to know about Indian number system, and we have about 130 crores of people living in our country, and we should know about our Indian system. Never get lost in international number system. Why should I know international number system? Because you are not going to survey only here. You may have to travel across, you may have to travel abroad, and we are having a global economy, money related thing. Now, foreign countries we collaborate, and there is import, there is export, which all you will study in social. Money plays a vital role. So you should know about larger numbers and how to calculate them. So in this lesson, we are going to study about Indian number system as well as international numbering system. Shall we get into the lesson, children? Here we go. Comma. Not come on, comma. Comma plays a vital role. Comma decides how to read numbers in a proper format. Now see some numbers here. When I have a comma here, it can be read. If I have a comma here, now we can see changing the commas will have a different effect in naming. Let us know how to insert commas. So if you have a comma in Indian system, after 3 digits, 1 comma, and then after 2 digits, a comma, and again after 2 digits, 1 more comma. So this is the pattern that we follow in Indian system. Whereas in international system, comma for every 3. So now we use the word K, 100K, 200K. Now you should know the K stands for 1000. Assignment for you. Think why K is given, why that letter K is given for 1000. You get to know, you search. So this is a simple assignment that is given for you, a small activity, you can try that. Coming back, in 1 lakh, how many thousands are there? Now you can compare and contrast. In 1 lakh, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and a lakh. But in terms of international system, it's 100,000. Children, commas play a vital role. Reading comes when you position the comma here or there. The number system changes according to that. Next, we are going to study about conversion. The greatest unit is converted to the smallest unit. Example, kilogram can be converted into grams. Grams converted into milligrams. Like what we do in terms of money, the rupee is converted into paise, not the paper into coin. I am saying about the value, the rupee converted into paise. In United States of America, it is $1 to cent. In Thailand, it is a baht converted to satang. Same way, we should get to know how conversions happen. I have given a list of conversions that are applicable here. This is all about kilograms, the weight. And here you have the conversion table about liters. This is about the liquid. About currency, over on top. This is the conversion for currency. Now we should know how to convert problems. When you read, when you are given some instances of problems, when you read, you should know how to read it correctly, and then you will never make a mistake. Children, if a problem is given to you with 5 kilograms and 500 grams, I wish you convert them into the smallest one. Every time when you convert to the least of the quantity, you perform the calculations, which may be addition, subtraction, division or multiplication, whatever you have studied earlier. And then when you do the calculation, it will look very simple. I am going to solve a small problem for you, which involves addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication and division. By using conversion, we will look at the problem which is given in the textbook now.
To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain?
We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. In this particular problem, we noticed to stitch a shirt, it is required about 2 meter and 15 centimeter length of cloth. The total available cloth length is 40 meter. So the first step, as I said earlier, is to convert a greater unit to a lesser unit. So what I do is I convert the 40 meter, the total availability, the 40 meter is converted to centimeter. We know 40 into 100 is 4000. So I have about 4000 centimeter of cloth in my hand. To stitch one particular shirt, 2 meter and 15 centimeter, which on conversion is 215 centimeter. We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So it is 2 meter means 200 and then another 15 centimeter. So 215 centimeter in total. So this is what is required for one shirt, while the total availability is 4000 centimeter. To find how many shirts can be made, what we have to do, We know very well that this is a division problem. We need to divide 4000 by 215. So it is 215. You are left out with a balance of 5 here. You carry out the 0, 10, 5. This is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. This becomes 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 185. This doesn't go. So you bring the next 0 from here. And now it goes 8 times. So 8 into 215. So you know the answer is 0, 2, 7 and 1, 17, 20. Now the balance is 0, 3 and 1. So it's a remainder. 130 centimeter is the remainder. So now you can conclude that 18 shirts can be made. 18 shirts can be made and about 130 centimeter is remaining. This is the remainder. In other words, you can say it is 1 meter and 30 centimeter. That's it.